Good morning. It is Friday, June the 24th, 2016, about 8:20, and I gotta get on my way to yoga or I'm gonna be late. Nary's getting ready to go to McDonald's in the senior center. We're gonna look for fruit for the great-grandkids. There's a Sugar Creek gem mining where the kids are gonna go tomorrow. We need to stay away from the flowers.
Don't worry. Unless you can find a Mr. Stripey.
I'm here at Betty's, but she isn't here. But Murphy's here. See if the door's locked. Door's locked. Murphy, I gotta go get the key. Well, the key wasn't in the regular spot, so Murphy will have to be in there, and I'll have to be out here till she gets home. Well,
You might need a coat.
Everybody made it up here.
Car coming. Yep.
So we're gonna go down to the POA. Nary put his stuff out to the flea market.
Are y'all sitting down?
It's just finally,
Emma's
like, it
way
still
down
gets
there
sore.
behind.
Yeah, you got it. All right, I got you. Ready? Go. That's fast.
My feet won't go where I always want them to go. Let Mommy
Hold on tight. Bring your foot.
this way.
No, that's not.
Let me down, Mommy.
I got you. You ready? Bend them. You do it. Let go.
Hold me
Let go.
in case I fall. Please. Let me off.
Okay.
Like that.
Yeah, I'll hold your hand.
This other one too, or both? You want one over here?
I like this.
I don't know what you do.
Did you see
Go down the slide with Emma.
Okay.
Climb the rock wall, Harry. Watch out for Joey. Don't knock him off the swing.
Joey.
Yeah, that works better. Yeah, he's climbing the rock wall.
Yeah, because I got a bigger hand.
Woo!
Mama.
She almost.
Joey for me.
Come on. Oh.
He likes to have front flips. Emma flips.
Emma was almost airborne there for a minute.
Front flips. Watch out.
Careful, it's fast.
Just go.
Okay.
Emma did it by herself.
No, Emma did not do it by herself. Mommy
The
catched
first
her.
time she did.
Emma
All right.
first.
Ready? Set. Emma just flies over it.
Pool looks inviting. Now he's putting out his dishes. He's going to use the other table for the alligator. Oh, Ronald will be tired.
Yeah.
Going a long way.
Yep. Well, at least they ain't going towards the dam now.
Mm-hmm. They're coupling in for a landing.
Exactly.
Wave, you're on the camera.
Had one sink there. And Michelle had to go out and get him.
Really going.
It'll sink, but it won't sink to the bottom.
Safe landing.
It just goes underwater. They were a little bit overweight. Yeah, and what it did, it went down far enough where water filled up. It came over the bottom. Yeah, that's not the first one.
Well, how'd you like that? Huh? How'd you like that? You like that?
What you got?
Out?
Hold your hand
A
out.
frog. A minnow.
Oh, flower blossoms.
Where'd you get them?
Oh,
They were
pretty.
in the water.
Oh, yeah.
They
Fell
were
off the trees. Those are pretty.
Yeah, they grow wild up here.
Good night. God bless.